to enable guest mode in Safari. Safari itself does not have a dedicated guest mode, but you can replicate guest browsing in Safari using these methods on a MacBook or iPhone, iPad. So let's get started. So first of all, tap on the Apple icon at the top left corner of your screen and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, tap on the System Settings. Now once inside the System Settings, at the left-hand side panel, scroll down, tap on the Users and Group, and here you can see Guest User option available. So basically it is turned off. In order to log into the guest user, you will have to log out of your account. So now what you need to do is toggle this guest user on, tap on the eye icon next to it, then you can see enable option available, toggle on the switch and save it. Now you will have to enter the password and save this guest user on your device. Now once you save it, what you need to do is you'll have to shut down your computer and log in using the guest account, and you can use the Safari using this guest user. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.